Hi boys and girls, today we are going to make a soil horizon model. You'll need some paper cups or muffin cups to hold your materials and some sticky substance to hold these materials in place. I went into my garden to find items to represent all the layers of the soil horizon. Be proactive. How much mess can you easily clean up? You'll see here that I have assembled my materials. I used a paper towel for easy cleanup and an ink pen to label. And all those cups contain representatives of the soil horizon. I found them in my garden, and one cup also has a little bit of white flour, and I will explain about why in a minute. I made one soil horizon model with a piece of paper and packaging tape, and that's on the left. I made another model with a sheet off of a delinting roller. You can see that there. But you could also use some Elmer's type white glue on paper or duct tape. I don't think glue stick will work very well. Soil particles are pretty heavy compared to glitter. So begin with the R layer at the bottom, and you can use a large rock to represent the solid bedrock. Then put in the C layer. These are small pebbles that look like they're made out of the same minerals as the bedrock. This is the O layer I put in next. You'll see I skipped all the way to the top. The O layer is organic material, and I added it now so I could judge the position of the other layers a little more easily and make sure I had room for it when I got to the end. The O layer is made out of pine straw in my example because pine straw makes up the mulch in my garden. Then I went back down to the bottom and I put in the B layer. The B layer is the subsoil, has a fine texture, but it isn't nutrient rich, so the color is more like the parent rock. Then I put in the E layer. Remember, that's that zone of alluviation where the nutrients just kind of wash through it. I used white flour to represent this because I didn't dig a super deep hole in my garden and get that actual zone. Remember, this is a model. Then I've got the topsoil. That was easy to get out of my garden. And you can see how rich and black this soil is. It has more organic material in it than rock particles. When I was looking for the E layer material, I thought, could I make a soil horizon totally out of pantry items? If you can, I want the recipe. When your soil horizon is complete, let's share it in a Padlet. Check the link on the blog. I hope you're ready for your quiz. Bye.